ya public investment ase ebunge enene nigo ya ichanire obotumiki obobe bwechibesa ase ekiombe keri gikubwatoka obokonyi bobobwene akorwa ase eserikali ya SHA.
Abachumbe be komiti eyo nigo bamuchirie obotumiki bwechi milioni 52.52 ase ogwakana abawakili ase omwaka bwechibesa bwechiri bubere na 20 nabo igo omwaka bwechiri bubere na 20 noyomo ase omurubelio ONHIF oyobono onchirite nakoba SHA.
CEO says that there is there's an attachment that attached is a copy of the advocate's remuneration order, and she was trying to actually explain this was proper, and explained according to what she has attached. Now the director of finance is saying from the face value it was not proper. So which is which from the same organization?
Did you recover 13 million, or what happened to this 13 million? What is this 13 million? Why is it that you have given us these records now? Why is it that that time when the audit was going on, they were not there?
We have been working very studiously on developing these responses, and we'll be able to go and check why responses were not done at that time. We would have to go back, source, and try and track any communication given by the auditor office and any response by the NHIF team present at that time. I'd have to go back and check.